Well, I think the discussion was very good because you have different perspectives about Ratchakuna in terms of the learnings, in terms of some of the weaknesses, and some of the way forward in relation to Fiji. There have been problems in the past, there have been issues, and of course Ratchakuna in his days, he was thinking and doing things in relation to the context when he was living. So it's important to look forward to the future and learn certain things from the ideas that he had and the ideas about the future of the country. Some of the policies of Ratchakuna, which led to locking away Fijians or iTaukei in villages, would have contributed to the socio-economic drawbacks that they're facing, and which would have bred dissatisfaction over the years, and which build up grievances amongst the iTaukei. So the coups in '87 and 2000, the iTaukei realized that the socio-economic circumstances were not as advanced as the other groups, and I suppose that's one of the learnings from the past in terms of the structures which kept the iTaukeis in the subsistence economy was not sufficient to provide them with the platform to engage in business. So it's very important now to begin to look at how the iTaukeis can engage in entrepreneurship, not blaming other ethnic groups as the cause of their socio-economic conditions, but rather look inside and see how land can be utilized and how the iTaukei Trust Board, for instance, can actually be a vehicle for socio-economic development rather than just to hold on to the land and lease land for others. Yeah.